Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can verify your account using your BVN. So based on the last video I did, I showed you how you can verify your account using your NIN, but there are things that have changed. So now you need to have a BVN to verify your account and deposit on the Recharge app account. So I'm going to go straight to my Recharge app account over here, and I don't need to know, I'm sure have showed you guys countless times how you can install the application from the Google Play Store, and the link to our Google Play Store and also to our web application is going to be dropped on the comment section and also on the video description, so you can use it over there. So I'm going to click on this understood button over here. So now I'm going to click on the open button over here, and we're on our login page. So I'm just going to create a new account for this video. So if you already have an account, you can just insert your email and your password and you log in direct. But if you are new and you want to register a new account, then just follow me. Let me create a new account and show you how you can do that. So I'm going to click on the register now button over here. And now we are on the registration page, where you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, create your password, and a referral code, which is optional. You don't need to put the referral code, it's by choice. If you have one, you put. If you don't have one, just leave it blank. So I'm going to input my details, and then I'm going to click on the register button over here. So as you can see, I have filled up my information, and make sure that your first name and your last name is your name, you get, because you need to verify with your BVN. It's not something that you just want to change. Then maybe after you have done your verification, you can change it to your business name, because it's very easy to change your name from your profile. Now I'm going to click on the register button over here. So I'm going to click on the OK. Now I've already registered an account. What I just need to do now is to just insert my email and my password. So I've inserted my email and my password. I'll just click on the login button over here. So you are going to be sent an activation code to your email. The email that you use to register, you're going to receive an activation code, and it's instant. So you don't need to be like looking for it. So if you don't see it on your inbox, just check your spam folder on your email. There's a column that is called spam folder. Sometimes email just end up there. So I'm going to get my own activation code from my email. I'm going to come back right now. So I've gotten my activation code, which is 9647. Now I'm going to click on activate. Now, as you can see, I'm asked to create my PIN. Now I'm just going to insert 4 digits PIN over here, and I'm going to proceed. So I'm going to click on the proceed button over here. So as you can see, we have changed a lot on the application. There are a lot of changes that have been made. Now, if you need support, if you need more information or tutorials, all you just need to do is to click on the hamburger menu over here. Then you will get our tutorial and social link over here. This will direct you to our videos and instruction tutorials that will teach you everything you need to know about the Recharge app application. So here is the video and tutorials that you would need to use our application. So I'm just going to go back. So as you can see, what we're looking for is this our blog and guide over here next to fund wallet. You can see after your balance, the our blog and guide that look like a post icon. So once you click on this our blog and guide, you'll be taken to this page where you can see everything that is related to the chat app. You can read through it and you can also learn from it. So please use this information to your fullest. Now we have a daily reward over here. You can grow your funds automatically every single day. We give free 200 naira. So guys, let me show you how you can verify your account and fund your wallet. So the first thing you need to do, you can use the fund wallet way. You can click on the fund wallet button over here and you'll be taken to this page. Or you can click on the profile over here and you will see the update your KYC over here. So there are two options to get to that point. So but I'm going to use the fund wallet because it's normal. So I'm going to click on the fund wallet button over here, and then I'm going to click on the click here to generate bank account. So once I click on it, you'll be asked to verify your identity. Now, the information you need to provide is your BVN and your date of birth on your BVN. Note that it is the date of birth on your BVN. It's not the date of birth. So if you have changed your date of birth of BVN, you get, maybe when you were creating the BVN, you wanted to change your date of birth so that you look younger or you look older, I don't know. Please remember the date of birth that you used, and it has to correspond. You get? So I'm going to insert my BVN over here, and I'm going to insert my date of birth, and I'm going to click on update KYC, and you will see that it's going to work normal. So guys, I have inserted my BVN and I have selected my date of birth. So I'm going to click on the update KYC over here. And as you can see, it has refreshed, meaning that my account has automatically, be updated and my BVN was successful. So I'm going to go back to that fund wallet button over here. And if you go back, you see that my account now is visible. I have generated an account for myself. Now there is no error, or there is no error message that was sent to me, because the system was working fine and this was built to work perfectly. So please, I will recommend that you guys watch this video and you learn from this video in order to verify your account. And note that Recharge app has no access to your information, and we will not call you or contact you asking for your personal information. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope that you learned something from this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you, and please subscribe.